Only on www.royal-mechanical.com. Free internship for mechanical engineers. Learn Catia V5 for free. Learn for free how mechanical engineers can get jobs. Learn for free mechanical engineering interview questions and answers, and simple spoken English for mechanical engineers to succeed in job interviews.
Let's start. Design of AR3 6-axis robot, using Catia V5. About AR3 6-axis robot. AR3 6-axis robot is designed and developed by AR3 Robotics. For more information, do visit www.anandrobotics.com. The structure of AR3 6-axis robot. The AR3 6-axis robot structure consists of a robot base, the lower arm, the upper arm, and the end effector. 6 degrees of freedom of AR3 6-axis robot. As the name indicates, AR3 6-axis robot has 6 degrees of freedom. Axis 1, the waist swing, is the swing of the robot with reference to the base, towards left and right. Axis 2, the shoulder swing, is the swing of the lower arm, towards forward and backward. Axis 3, the elbow swing, is the swing of the upper arm, towards up and down. Axis 4, the elbow rotation, is the rolling of the upper arm. Axis 5, the wrist swing, is the swing of the end effector, towards up and down. Axis 6, the wrist rotation, is the rolling of the end effector.